What up, what up, what up, what it do? Welcome to the fifth quarter panel, and I'm your host, Mr. Fred Drusser. And we coming back today with some quick takes. I had a little surprise on my YouTube. I saw they had some Mardi Gras battles going on, and I downloaded quite a few of them. I ain't seen them yet, but today we doing Texas Southern, Ocean of Soul versus Alcorn State, Sound of Dynomite. I almost forgot them motherfuckers because we ain't like them, you know what I'm talking about? We ain't like them. That was a rivalry last game of the season. But anyway, we finna get into this. I'm hoping that goddamn me Alcorn win because, you know, the Mississippi home team is always where it's at, the Mississippi home team. But I live in Texas now, so either way it'll be cool. But I'm rooting for Alcorn. But we're going to see what they're going to do. But without further delay, let's jump right into it. Let's see what they got. Let's see who got what, who got this, who got that. Let's rock.
And shoot and beat and play and
the mellow's going stupid. Texas Southern woke up and chose violence, I see. They woke up on the right side of the bed. Let's see what they got. Oh, they cranking. They cranking. I fucks with it. Oh, dude, like Big Crit. Tuba's humping, tuba's humping. Shit, on this song, I always go with tubas or trumpets. But with this song here, the mellows came through. Let's see what Alcorn got. Shout out to the Golden Girls, they always come through. I don't like this song selection five, but they just played. The Texas just played. Alcorn sound good. Like I've been saying, I don't know what they did this past season, 25. They sound a lot better. You sound like a big ass high school band or media type shit, but they did good this past season. This seems like a mellophone battle. Alcorn cranking though. I'm tell you what, the Golden Girls, they always do it. They always do it. Okay, they lose me right here. No, Texas got that one. Texas got that one. Easily, hands down, they got that one. Dizzy Gillespie back there. You know you put your hands in your pockets, it's over. They covered that with some power songs. They first two selections is blowing like a motherfucker with all sections. And I think the mellows got something to say. They sound damn good. I think they about that life. They sound damn good though, for real. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They got 12 tubes blowing like that. Where the dancing girls at? Hold them dogs back, man. Hold them dogs back. I don't know if it's a whiskey or what, but TxSU going ham. Come on, Alcorn. Come on, Mississippi. Come on, Mississippi. Norman, Mississippi. Come on, Mississippi. What we got? This selection not doing it. You got to come out with some crank. Hopefully get into it. Let's see. It's like they're playing 0-quarter songs, like they got time to come back with their power shit. Okay. You know, I think TxSU number one. TxSU number one, but them Golden Girls, they be doing their thing. That's the best thing I done seen from Alcorn from this performance. And I want the home team to win. Come on, Alcorn, give us some right here. It sounds a lot better than it sounded back in the past. I'm not familiar with this song, but it sounds like it's supposed to, but not the bridge. They cranked it, I ain't gonna lie, they did that. I still give it to TxSU. Let's do it right here. Them niggas just blowing. They just blowing. Oh, they got mellows on both sides. That sounds like more of a complete band. And they ain't in there for a band, I'm sure. Well, I know it ain't. I love hearing they tubas versus Tennessee State tubas. good battle. This sousaphone battle. Oh, them Negroes ready. They came for a reason. They're showing it too. I don't even want to pause this. So like, come on, Alcorn. Come on, Alcorn. Because y'all getting done in bad. Y'all getting done in bad. Okay. All right, they come with power at the beginning. I fucks with it. Mello's going stupid. This should have been a song they played after their first song Texas played. Yeah, this would have been a comeback for the first song. I think the song selection is what's gonna kill Alcorn. Play with some confidence coming back in. Get them tenors back there. I love tenors. Let's see what they got right here. Crank time. Crank time. Alright, they're holding up. That sounds a little funky right there. The bad funky. That sounded good right there. I get the Alcorn over that one. Alcorn, y'all got one. TxSU got it. See, at this point, they can come in slow and bring it up, build it up a little later. They're like a blues singer. I'm gonna call it right now. I'm going TxSU. My section of the performance, I'm gonna say the mellows already. Shout out to my cousin Shay. He walked up that TxSU, play snare drum like a big thug. But no, they ain't playing with him. They real with him. They came out there to dig graves today, and they dug them hoes. They dug them. They came to dig graves. Alcorn still playing like it's 0 quarter. Like they saving something. Like they saving something. Don't look like there's much video left. I don't know who's selecting their songs. They're doing a horrible job. But Alcorn sound good. They sound good. But the comeback ain't right. The difficulty measure in playing the songs, Alcorn has more difficulty playing. Well, the difficulty measure of playing songs, Alcorn have more technical shit in their songs, but that's not what it's about right now. But I don't sound good. Something was wrong right there. We'll go back to it. Alcorn could be a problem this football season. I really think they could be a problem. Bad song selection for me. Wood cleaners and some light brass right there. What time is it? Like a paramedic. We're gonna call this. We didn't already call this one. I don't know who selected the songs for Alcorn. They did trash. They're good songs, they executed well, they played it well, but coming back, when y'all play second, y'all should not be trash second. These niggas still coming. Man, they still cranking. Ain't let up off the gas yet. Alcorn got started with one song, but they're not even trying. Stay after that trumpet section. Set yourself into a problem, man. They're a problem. I gotta go back and check out the game they played, because apparently Alcorn must have did something to them, and they said fuck this shit today. So they showing fuck this shit today. Yeah, I'm pouring up, but I don't like to show it off the mic, and I get paid for it. I think you're the nigga that's gonna fight if something go down. Man. Mississippi, Alcorn. We should have Jack State up there better than them. Alcorn, y'all let me down. I came in hoping y'all was gonna win. Oh, dude, look cool as fuck. Woo. Trouble. Oh, they know it's over. They don't even care no more. I think they could have won another 3-4 rounds off this. Like 20 seconds left on the video, so all come with the deal. Respect for this song. Let's them know the plumes over there. Texas Southern gave no respect today, I ain't gonna lie to you. I wasn't expecting this. Alright, man, get my goddamn theme music, man. There we go. Alcorn, I was rooting for y'all niggas. I was hoping y'all were gonna do it. Like I said, the home team, Mississippi. Shit, I thought we were gonna do this shit. Y'all got clowned. And y'all done came a long goddamn way to me. Y'all were trash. Y'all sound like a big ass high school band back in the day, especially when I was marching. Then goddamn years after that, y'all sound like a big ass high school band. And 2025 season, y'all sounded great. Y'all sounded great today, but Texas Southern fucking demolish you motherfuckers. Like, why y'all let that happen? I don't know who chose y'all songs. Y'all got one song. Anyway, Funk Face Alcorn, scale 0 to 5. I'm gonna give you a 2. I had to look at myself, make sure everybody get a solid 2. Texas Southern, you get a 5. Y'all motherfuckers came in from beginning to end cranking on them niggas. Cranking on them niggas. Didn't let up at all. Didn't get off the gas. One song they had y'all on, but other than that, y'all crunk on them motherfuckers. Shout out to the Golden Girls though. Like the Golden Girls, y'all did some shit. Y'all always do y'all shit. Mwah. Bon appetit. Fuck ever. But y'all did a good goddamn job. But anyway, well, I think the Mellows showed out today. Both sides, Alcorn and Texas Southern. Mellows showed out, but Texas Southern just won by a landslide. I don't think there's no question about it. But if y'all think I'm wrong, let me know in the comment section. Goddamn it. Also, comment what gear you played, what instrument you played, what school you went to, and still, if I'm wrong, let me know I'm fucking wrong. Shit, it's all good. But like, comment, subscribe, follow, share, and some new hype shit they got out here. Whatever the fuck. Fuck with your boy. We up out of here. Fred Drusser, 5th quarter panel. These are quick takes. Holla back.